Aqhathelwe ekomkhulu lePSL amaqembu azoqedela imidlalo yeSizini. Ukwenza ubulungiswa wonke amaqembu azinze eGauteng angeke adlalele ekhaya kuze kuphele isizini. IKaizer Chiefs eqhwakele phezulu kuLoke evame ukusebenzisa FNB Stadium njengekhaya layo izosebenzisa inkundla yaseOrlando ikanye neChippa United. Imamelodi Sundowns elele isibili izosebenzisa inkundla yaseDobsonville njengekhaya ikanye neHighlands Park. IOrlando Pirates izocuphisana neGolden Arrows enkundleni Ellis Park. Inhlangano eyengamela izinkundla zebhola kulelizwe izoba matasa kakhulu kulamasonto amahlanu ezayo njengoba zizine izinkundla ezingaphansi kwayo eziqokwe ukusingatha eminye yemidlalo.
Luckily, during this lockdown period, our pitch maintenance service provider has been attending to the pitches. So we're ready for action.
Kuzoqiniswa ezokuphepha ezinkundleni.
It's now a new requirement. Safety in the BSE to ensure no spread of the virus. So I think there's going to be a big emphasis on sanitization, social distancing and the like.
Njengoba iGauteng inesibalo esiphezulu sabahaqwe iCovid-19 eNingizimu Afrika, lokhu kuletha ukukhathazeka malungana nokuthi kuze kanjani ukuthi ibhodi labalawuli beNSL linqume ukuqedela isizini kulesifundazwe.
If you look at the proposal that has been given and how the bubble will work, so the outside environment is not going to affect it because we are creating an artificial environment where anyone who comes in is going to be tested. They're going to make sure that they have to adhere to COVID restrictions that are there, and nobody is allowed out. And this is what we've been preaching throughout, that if soccer players want to sneak out, they're not going to come back in.
Uma kwenzeka amaqembu asebenzisa inkundla eyodwa idlala ngosuku olulodwa, iligi inqume ukubamba imidlalo emibili ngosuku. Inhloso uqinisekisa ukuthi imidlalo yeAbsa Premiership neGladAfrica Championship iphothulwa ngosuku olulodwa.